welcome back to the Honest Motherhood. I hope you all are doing good. I was doing good. Oh my god, Jaden, what's wrong with you? So yes, we picked Jaden from school and we are going to clinic. We have Jaden's vaccine today. Ah, Jadu! Guys, here we are in the clinic. Gonna take a lift and go up. So this clinic is located in Dudbanaswadi, and it's really a nice one. I would suggest if anyone surrounding Dudbanaswadi or Kamanali, then you guys should definitely opt for this pediatrist because they're so good. They keep you so positive no matter what is the situation. They'll make you feel very positive, and it's a nice one. Most of the parents that I know, my toddlers friends, they all visit this clinic. And definitely a good pediatrist.
How are we going?
And here is Jaden going in a lift. Hi baby, how was the school? Yes. How was the school? You had fun? Did you play games? What game? What game you played? Yeah, what game you played? Yes. Did you play catch? Throw the ball? Catch the ball? Or did you play? Yes, you played catch the ball. Was it good? I turn on the fan? No, it's okay. Tikada haath tikada. Done with the vaccine, guys. Jaden, he cried a little. I mean, with fear he cried, but not for the pain. I think he was like really alright. Just when the nurse and my mom were holding his hand and feet, he was actually crying with the fear. But post the vaccine, he was like all normal. And even I was surprised actually that how come he was so quiet. So yes, that's a good thing. I'm so happy. My baby always locks the gate, which is really.
Be careful, okay?
Come, baby. Nice. So as I told you guys that once he comes home, this is what he does every single day from school, and that is like so amazing. He doesn't even need help. I mean, in the beginning of the week, he was needing help, and then you guys can see this is like a 4th week, I would say. And right from the 2nd week onwards, like he started doing by himself, and now he's doing it like a pro. Like, so everything goes for a wash now. I mean, not the shoes, but socks, clothes, everything will go for a wash. Papa, you have to put that in a laundry bag, okay? So good to see when our kids take rule like this. Baby, one more socks. It's putting in the laundry bag. There's no laundry bag actually. I had put the clothes for wash. So yes. Look at that, guys. So amazing. As a mom, I feel extremely proud. I mean, he's just 2.7. And just look at that. Hey, Papa, I should wash your hand now. Dirty. Now don't eat that, okay? In some time. Now, where you going, baby? Come, let's wash your hands and legs. Show where you got the vaccine. Yeah, this is where you got the vaccine. Where you got the vaccine? Where you got the vaccine? Why are you taking my beauty blender? Hello? That is dirty, that is. Don't put it in your mouth. Don't put it in your mouth. What you do? As a beauty blender. What is this, baby? He threw my beauty blender, guys. What is this, baby? See where it went. See, look at this, guys. Where he has thrown it. What is this, baby? Now who will go that side? The other day I already had enough. Come, let's go inside. Hey, stop peeping like that. It's not safe. Oh, hello. Okay, I'll close the door. Be out. Why are you coming? I'll close the door. Be out. So whenever I say that, you come inside. Let be smart. If we are not smart, then it is really challenging to take care of your kids. Have a bat, yellow color bat. So yes, his height is amazing. I mean, doctor told his height is like too good. Yes, baby. You wanna eat that?
Yeah.
Okay, give it to grandma. Grandma will unwrap it. So his height is superb, it seems, guys. I mean, I'm so happy, and his weight is also good, like a gym-going child, and also his brain development is also good. So yes, the progress is good, and doctor is also very happy with him. So yes, that's very nice. Okay, you gonna eat that? Do you need help? You need help? You want you need help? I'll help you. Give me. Give me. I'll help you. Ah. Guys, पकड़े? एक second. ये फेंकी chocolate. I'm still carrying his bag, guys. I was so busy shooting because the last 2 days I did not post. So yes, I thought it's high time that I actually post. Oh, I know how you are. I'm not taking punga with you. Yummy. Check it out.
I'm so spicy.
Oh, so spicy. then give me back. You want? Give me. It's so spicy, right? Give it. Such a drama king. Hey, hey. That is so weird. What are you doing? My God. Look at him, guys. He's literally biting. He's biting that. He's biting the tamarind. He's biting the tamarind. दोन नको बोलस मारते जास्त होतं. Be careful. Hey, Jadu, no! Jadu, no! Please. Sorry, Jadu, sorry. Sorry. Okay, sorry. I'll not make fun of you. Okay, I'll not make fun of you. Oh my God, that's the reason I don't play with this guy. See, you got hurt? I told you. See, you got hurt. I'm so sorry. Okay, be careful. That's why I say don't take bad. Okay, guys, I'm signing off. This guy is getting out of his hands. Oh my God. This guy is just going crazy. Stop touching. Say bye, guys.
Okay.
Say love you all. Can you say love you all? Can you blow kiss? Aha. Okay, bye, guys.